Omokagerwa uria obekwa byara muna abanyanyimbo ase oguita abantu getanye 42 oyo obakirori na bateba buna nakora ibikorwa bya sensemeria Mukuru nigo bono atebire ngo ogwitio buniga bete akogwikirania kuri omwaka gw'ikirbu 2022 goikaboniga nonyina bo Collins Aisa Rusha nigo abaka bateba buna nigo akorete ibikorwa ebyo asuko bayebereria Abasubati agwimebere yabo yabetege gotoka asensemeyo abanyanyimbo nigo batebere ngamba cheko genderero gutukyo bonge korengana ebintu byatogete kurwa Omokagerwa uyo eligo cheko endeke bali kubwaterenere okora ogwitio.
If you look at the way the bodies have been disguised and packaged, all the same. If you look at the place the bodies were thrown into the dump site, just one spot, I get the same. So what are we really looking at? Are we dealing with a cult that is associated with criminal activities? Are we dealing with serial killers that are also associated with criminal activities? Or even, could we be dealing with rogue medical practitioners that are dealing with criminal activities?
To ensure a fair and biased investigation, I have moved the officers from Kwale Police Station. In these difficult times, we stand with the community and remain committed to uncovering the truth and bringing those responsible to justice.
We interviewed her sister, who confirmed to us that Josephine indeed disappeared on 26th of June. At around 9 a.m. while she was at home, she received a call from a male person. And she told her sister, I'm going to meet my friend. And from her observation, she was not at any level of distress. And she was comfortable with the caller, and she left. Only for